Replacing the speaker. The new speakers are what gives the upgraded Fairbuds XL their brand new sound. The best part? They are backwards compatible with our older Fairbuds XL. So if you have an old Fairbuds XL on hand, you can do a modular upgrade for 1/3 the price of a new pair. So how do we go about slotting them in? Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Find a nice, flat, clean surface to work on. Also, keep some empty containers handy to store loose screws. You don't want to lose any of them. You're also going to need a credit card or a PIC or similar for leverage. And of course, the most important and only real tool you'll need, a Phillips Zero screwdriver. Keep your replacement part at hand for easy access. I also recommend keeping a cleaning cloth or maybe a few wet wipes around. The right speaker houses the new 40mm dynamic drivers and chipset, which is why you will notice there is a price difference between the two. Make sure you order the correct one before getting started. And if you're upgrading your old Fairbuds XL, we recommend changing out both. While it is possible to change one speaker at a time, you will notice a difference in audio between the two when using old and new speaker types together. A quick note, replacing the speakers will need you to pop off the speaker covers, battery, and ear cushions. You only need to do this for the side you want to replace. First things first, let's remove the ear cushions. Now before we get started with the ear cushions, I have a very important message to make. When twisting, please hold on to the textile part of the ear cushion with one hand and the plastic side with the other hand. We don't want you to accidentally break your headphones. To remove the ear cushion, you'll need to twist it in a specific direction. Now to figure out which way to twist, check the side of the device you're working on. Now let's figure this out together. Place the Fairbuds XL on a flat surface in front of you. The speakers and ear cushions should be facing you, and the headband should be facing away. For the right side, you'll need to twist the ear cushion away from you. For the left side, you'll need to twist it towards you. As you twist, you should hear a click when the ear cushion releases. To replace the left speaker, we start with removing the speaker cover. Using your fingers or a credit card or PIC or similar for leverage, lift the cap by pulling it away from the speaker. Easy does it. Then, you'll need to remove the battery. Once the speaker cover is open, you'll see the battery sitting snugly inside. To remove it, gently lift it out of the compartment. Be sure to hold on to the battery securely as you do so. Next, notice the two screws that hold the speaker unit into the headband base. Use a screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, being careful not to strip the head. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them again later. Once both screws are removed, carefully release the speakers from the headband base. You'll see a cable that connects to the top of the speaker. Carefully release the cable from the speaker, allowing you to remove it completely. Now, time to go in reverse. Once you have the old speaker out, connect the USB-C cable to the top of the new speaker. Then, place the new speaker on the headband base. Screw in the two screws. Put the battery back in, making sure the Fairphone logo and battery icon are facing you. Then, click the speaker cover back in place starting from the top. Once done, put the ear cushions back on. Align the ear cushions with the hooks on the inside of the device. Make sure to match the arrow on the ear cushion to the arrow on the speaker. Then, twist them in place in the opposite direction that you used to get them out. So, twist away. Now for the right side, follow the same steps as the left side. Using your fingers or a credit card or similar for leverage, lift the cap by pulling it away from the speaker. Next, notice the two screws that hold the speaker unit to the headband base. Use a screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, being careful not to strip the head. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them again later. Once both screws are removed, carefully release the speaker from the headband base. You'll see a cable that connects to the top of the speaker. Carefully release the cable from the speaker, allowing you to remove it completely. Now, time to go in reverse. Once you have the old speaker out, connect the USB-C cable to the top of the new speaker. Then, place the new speaker on the headband base, screw in the two screws, click the speaker cover back in place starting from the top, and once done, put the ear cushions back on. Align the ear cushions with the hooks on the inside of the device. Then, twist them in place in the opposite direction that you used to get them out. So, for the right ear cushion, you need to twist towards you. And that's it, you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, check out the links in the description below. You can also check out our online repair tool to help diagnose any issues you might be facing. And that's it. I hope you really enjoy your Fairbuds XL.